Hello, I'm Eugene, one of the co-founders here at SpeedToLead and the lead developer. Today, I want to talk a little bit about a feature that some of you have taken advantage of, which allows you to do some very powerful things as you interact with the contacts that communicate with your chatbots. There may be occasions where you'd like to have your AI monitor a conversation to determine whether or not a particular tag or other type of label should be added to that person's contact record as they participate in the conversation. Maybe you're a dental office and you have a chatbot specifically configured to address matters concerning teeth whitening. Well, you can think of a scenario where during the course of the conversation, you want your chatbot to identify that the customer or the contact has begun to talk about that topic, and in doing so, you'd like the bot to apply a tag so that other activities, maybe email marketing campaigns, other types of workflows can be triggered. You can even have the system apply a tag that would cause another chatbot to take over the conversation in the course of that chat with the customer. It's a very powerful tool. We're excited to tell you about it and also excited, of course, for you to start using it.
Okay, let's walk through how to use this feature. Again, the goal is to be able to have your chatbot be intuitive enough to know that the user has entered into a particular part of the conversation, and you want to be able to attach other activities to that user. And so in my system, I've got a bunch of locations here. I'm going to jump into my development 2 location, and I have 2 chatbots. I have the one that has some tokens used, so I'll select that one. And then from here, you'll notice that there's the pretty standard features are here. Just to give you a quick rundown of this one, the chat manager setup. I've trained it with some preliminary data. I've done some initial testing on it, and throughout my testing, I've decided, hey, I want to be able to have the chatbot apply some information to that record. So the way you'll do that is you'll go into workflow and to AI tags. Now, and from AI tags, you want to just add a new AI tag. It's pretty simple. You'll just say, for example, I'm going to give it a name. The name is really just a way for you to recognize it when you see it in the list. I'm going to call it teeth whitening. Again, in this situation, I have a dental office. I have 4 or 5 chat managers. Some of them handle dealing with people that have pain. Some of them deal with people that want crowns addressed. Others want to set up cleaning. I have a specific one for teeth whitening, and it's trained for that. And so I'm going to put teeth whitening on there, and then I'm going to tell the system, I'm going to tell the AI what to look for in the conversation in order to know that a tag related to teeth whitening should be applied. And so I'm going to say if the user mentions that they are interested in teeth whitening, please apply the tag. Okay. Now you don't need to specify what tags to apply here. Really, this is just the rule that informs the chatbot, the AI, that, hey, if the user says whatever, then go ahead and proceed. And actually, you don't even really need to say, please apply these tags. All you need to say is, if the user mentions that they are interested in teeth whitening, you could say that, but I'll just leave it at that. If the user's interested in teeth whitening, and then I'll just put here, say I have a bot specifically designed for handling teeth whitening conversations. The typical convention applies. You go to STL bot, and then just call it teeth. And you hit enter. When you tap enter, it puts the tag on there, and then you want to specify what locations this applies to. I'm only going to apply it to the development 2 location. That means that all chat managers that live in that location will have this handling occur. Let's save that. All right, and so now pretty simple. I go back to my workflow and I have my AI tags, my new one called teeth whitening. And so that everyone who comes in to any of my chat managers at this location will get that applied to them. And then I'll see that tag existing in their GoHighLevel contact record. So let me just test it out. So I'm going to go back to my home. I'm doing the development 2 account here, and I'm going to use that test bot. And I'm going to go into test, and I'm going to go ahead and indicate that I want to know about teeth cleaning or teeth whitening. I'm going to be direct here. I would like to know about teeth whitening, not teeth cleaning. And for my dog, I'm going to be a little silly here. Not for my God, but for my dog. All right, there we go. And as you notice here, I have, I've done this before on the Brandon Shell, just to test it out. I'm going to do it against the Jonathan Davis just to see it at work, so you can actually see it in operation. All right, so then I'm going to do reset conversation, hit test. Now this is going to have, the system's going to process it. Of course, it's talking about property management company, so it's saying, hey, you want to schedule an appointment to assist because we didn't find anything about teeth whitening in this chatbot. Be that as it may, now we should have that tag applied to the user. So I'm just going to hit refresh here. And there it is. Look at that. There's that tag. It got applied to Jonathan Davis. And also, if I go into my GoHighLevel account and go to my contact list, or that, I will see that the Jonathan Davis record has that tag applied as well. So you can just imagine the possibilities that you have now in the fact that your AI has literally communicated to GoHighLevel that an action should be taken against this particular contact record. So maybe you have an email workflow, maybe you have a pipeline, something where you want an action to occur based upon a tag. Check it out. Your AI just handled it for you. No customer service representative needed. The AI did it, and we know that it is awesome. So take a look at it, try it out, and we hope that you find it useful. Reach out to us if you have questions. Love to hear from you. Take care.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame.